Hi everyone, my friend asked me if I can make something in the microwave, and I've got one cake that I really like and I want to share with you, so let's get to it. Okay, so I start with mixing all the dry ingredients. Then I add all other ingredients, and yeah, now let's just mix it up. Put it in the microwave for 3 minutes, full power, and yeah, just a little icing sugar on top. And here we have, ta-da! Pretty awesome for like 5 minutes work. Chocolate cake, so good. Okay guys, so if you like it, leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe. If you haven't seen previous episodes, go and check them out. And yeah, that's it.